Good day everyone, my name is Wanda Karomo and welcome to my final presentation of IT330 system building project. Over the past several weeks I designed and developed a full agile environment for our organization. Today I will walk you through each component I built and demonstrate how they meet the requirements of the executive team. Okay, and this project required building a secure cloud environment for 3 departments: sales, marketing, engineering, and customer care. Each week built on the previous one, starting from the identity creation all the way to network segment security enforcement. Okay, here we created in week 2, I created the users in the Microsoft ID and assigned each of them to their department with security groups. The groups from the basis of access control throughout the entire environment. So here, let me just show you from here the group, in terms of the groups. Right, so I created these groups, these secure groups. As you can see, the secure groups there. There's customer success, engineering, and then sales and marketing. And the people you can check there. There's 10 members and the group members that are there. And these are the members that are there. I'm going to just get out of here quickly and let me just go to users and show you in terms of users like Ted. Pretty fast. And Ted, let's look for Ted William. Ted William was supposed to, here is Ted. He was supposed to be given in terms of assigned role. Right, as you can see, we was given the global administrative role. Alright, from there we went and created storages in this as per the assignment. These were created, and here 6 departments storage were created and logged with group permissions and cross department access. Let me just show you here. In terms of those the storage that were created, one was OneDrive, P storage, this one. Okay, did with 5 shares here. And these were the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let me just show you in terms of access control here. And this one, I'm just going to show you one and show you the role assignment in the customer. This customer VM data. So the customer VM data, only those in customer success can access this, because the storage file data SMB share contributor was given to the users that were in the customer success alone. And from there, let me also just go back. It was done to each and every department. Let's go to this locked permission and everything. Right, and here we created 6 Windows Server machines with 2022 data server. 2 per group, and storage attached, and access restricted to group assigned. Okay, let me just show you also this in this. Okay, we're going to go to virtual machines. Under virtual machines, as you can see, 6 virtual machines: sales 1 machine, VM1, VM2, engineering VM2, engineering VM1, customers VM1, customer VM2. Those these 6 I created those 6 VMs, and this way, as you can see, these are Windows operating system there, Windows Data 2022. Let me just show you in each VM. Let's go to one of the VMs here. Let me show you the access control and what I did. We're supposed to get start from here. Right, the row assigned. Those that were only in sales and marketing were given the virtual machine user login so that they could log in into this machine. With they only log in into these machines, only those in the group of. So it was assigned to each and every group the same. In the engineering, it was the same. Those were engineering. In the customers, also those in the customers were assigned this. And we were assigned in the restriction areas of the groups and attachment. Okay, attachment was done. I'm going to show you one of the VMs. This is the VM that we're in. The storage VM was attached here as we were pre-requested to do when we came into the PowerShell and run a command, and then it attached us this VM to this. Let me just go and show you the network part of each. That was the assignment. We go to our virtual networks. In our virtual networks, we created 3 because as you can see in the we are supposed to create sales with this, and engineering with this, IP addresses and customers with this, and Azure the DNS provided us provides addressing. Okay, so when we did this, created in the week I think 4, we created the VNet sets, the VNet networks, the VNet virtual networks as customer, as in engineering, and in sales and marketing. So in this week, the week 5, I think we created now. That's why I created the VNet, and in the VNet main VNet here I created subnets. In the subnets of this, let me just show you. We have the VNet with VLAN SM with the IP addresses. You can see the subnets were created inside it, which is 10.1.1.0/20, which was able to allocate the IP addresses that were needed from 10.1.150 to 10.1.199, and in the engineering VLAN 10.1.164/26, which was able to accommodate 10.1.100 to 10.1.149, and also in the VLAN CS we created 10.1.128/26, which was able to accommodate 10.1.150 to 10.1.199, which were paid the assignment. So this I did, and in the it was allowed also what was needed to show. Let me just show you. It was allowed to show. They're supposed to ping within the group, and also ping across groups, which was blocked, and internet access pinging was confirmed. So let me just come to one of the VM that I was in. Yes, this one. Yes, as you can see here. Right. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Ping 200 was confirmed. Ping, yes, ping to the same within the same subnet. Ping, as you can see, this was on machine 10.1.151, and I was able to ping that was within the same subnet, which is 10.1.152. The ping, as you can see, was successful there. Then I could not ping the other subnet, which was outside of this, which was in 10.1.1/2064, where we had this 10.1.100. I could not ping it, and also the other one I could not ping. But in terms of the internet, here you can see there was a successful ping of 8.8.8.8, which is Google. and there is success, sent packets 4, received 4. Okay, right, this we did. Okay, and also the attachment, as you can see, is there. Everything was attached. And in terms of, let me just come back to here. All right, the role-based role-based access control was given. Then the network segment group segmentation was done. No cross-department access, as you can see, it was shown. I did show you that it was not least privileged. This I was not able to show. My apologies for that. But in terms of all requirements, once requirements were met and secure segmentation in the cloud environment and ready for use was done, because I had some other limitation in terms of the subscription that I was using, because I was only able to just do 3 in terms of, let me just come here. When I attached this, and I did not show you in this subnet also, I did not show you where I did the pairing. The pairing was done here. As you can see, my pairing connected well with the SM sales and marketing to the main VA virtual network, and the engineering VNet was paired to the main, then the customers to the main as well, as you connected here and remote. That was done. Okay, this was done. Let me just show you. Okay. The disks, I think I showed you. The storage, yes, the visual machines. I think most of the assignment that was needed and what was needed, I was able to show you. The IP address structure used to ensure organized to secure communication itself automatically receives its IP address from the DNS, and each group operates within its subnet. That was done. Then connectivity and compliance, security was central to the entire build. Implemented principal least privilege enforced segment using network segment groups and ensure only authorized groups can access their resources. In conclusion, the full Azure environment has been successfully, as you can see, this full Azure deployment was created and successfully built according to CO's specifications. Identity storage servers and network components are operational and securely isolated. In real-world setting, our next steps would include automation, monitoring, and ongoing security hardening, which we do. I thank you so much for listening to this presentation that I had. Thank you so much. Have a good day.